Hello 8th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson understanding quadrilaterals. Coming to the worksheet 1, question number 1. Find the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon ABCDEF by dividing it into the triangles. So in example we have seen about the interior angles of a pentagon. Now coming to the hexagon. So the figure is given AB, A, B, C, D, E, F. So divide it into the triangles. So for every sum we have to write given A, B, C, D, E, F is a hexagon. To find the sum of the interior angles of the hexagon, solution. So we have to divide into triangles, isn't it? So join AC, CF and FD so that the hexagon is divided into 4 triangles. So AC, CF, FD. That is why it is drawn with the dotted lines. Okay, now next what we have to do? We got 4 triangles. So in triangle, first is triangle ABC. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. That is the first angle ABC, 1, 2 and 3. Now in triangle, next triangle ACF. ACF, it is 4, 5, 6. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Let it be 2. And the third angle CDF. In triangle CDF, angle 7, angle 8 plus angle 9 is equal to 180. Now the last triangle is angle DEF. Triangle DEF. Which are the angles? Angle 10 plus angle 11 plus angle 12. Again it is equal to 180 degree. So you got the 4 triangles. Now adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Add all angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 plus angle 10 plus angle 11 plus angle 12 is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 degree. Now rearrange. At A, what is it? Angle 1 plus angle 6. See the figure and write. At angle B, it is angle 2. At C, 3 angles are there. Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 7. Now at D, it is angle 8 plus angle 12. Are you understanding? Now at E, it is only angle 11. Now at F, it is angle 5 plus angle 9 plus angle 10. Isn't it? And at, okay, F over is equal to 180 4 times. 4 8s are 32, 3 in hand, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7. So you got 720 degrees. Now put the names. So it is 1 and 6 is angle A, Angle 2 is angle B. This angle 347 is angle C. 8 and 12 is angle D. 11 is angle E. And 5, 9, 10 is angle F is equal to 720 degree. So answer, sum of interior angles of a hexagon is 720 degrees. Understood? So divide it into triangles and the angles को add करने का left hand side, right hand side. You have to add and write. Is it clear? That was about the question number 1. Now coming to question number 2. Find the sum of the interior angles of the polygon of the given number of sides by using the formula n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So always this formula is not given. So you have to remember. Sometimes they give, otherwise no. So it is a number of sides. It is given 12. So n is equal to 12. Sum of interior angles of the polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is the formula, isn't it? So n is equal to how much? 12 minus 2 into 180. 12 minus 2 is 10 into 180. So how much you got? 1800. That is 1800 degrees. Now second question, subdivision. It is 9 sides. So write number of sides n is equal to 9. Sum of interior angles of the polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. N is 9 minus 2 into 180. That is 9 minus 2 is 7 into 180. 7 zeros are 0. 7 8s are 56. 5 in hand. 7 1s are 7. 8 9 10 11 12. So you got 1260. Now the third subdivision, 22 sides. Number of sides n is equal to 22. Sum of the interior angles of the polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. So put the values. 22 minus 2 into 180. 22 minus 2 is 20 into 180 degree. 18 2s are 36 and 2 zeros. So you got 3600 degrees. Is it clear? So this was about the question number 2. 3 subdivisions. Hope everyone understood. The formula you have to remember and you have to put the values. Okay. Now coming to this type of sums will be asked for 1 mark. So better be prepared. Now coming to the third question. Number of sides of a regular, find the measure of each angle of a regular octagon. Each angle. So first write the number of sides in a regular octagon. N is equal to octagon. How many sides? It is 8. Now write the formula each angle of a regular octagon. What is the formula? N minus 2 into 180 divided by n. So you will be putting n is 8 minus 2 into 180 divided by 8. It will be 8 minus 2 is 6. 180 upon 8. It is 2 3s are 2 4s are. Now 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. 17, 18. 2 and 0, 20. 4 5s are 20. Now 3 5s are 15. 1 in hand. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. So you got 135 degree each angle of the regular octagon. Put the formula and the value, that is 8 minus 2 into 180 upon 8. Understood? Now coming to the fourth sum, 4 angles of a pentagon are given. 100, 175, 85 and 75. Find the fifth angle. So pentagon means 5, isn't it? So number of sides in a pentagon is equal to 5. Sum of the angles of the pentagon. Sum means n minus 2 into 180. So you don't know. So first you have to find out. So n is 5 minus 2 into 180. You have to show this first. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180. 18 3s are, it is 54. So it is 540. In the earlier sums we have done, but according to this, first you have to find out the sum of the angles of the pentagon, and then you write 100 plus 175 plus 85 plus 75. Let the fifth angle be x. X is equal to 540. Now you add these 5, 5, 5. It is 15. 1 in hand. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7, it is 20, 23. 23. 2, 4, 3, 4. So you got 435 plus x is equal to 540 degree. So x is equal to 540 degree minus 435 degree. That is 10 minus 5 is 5. Here now it is 3 minus 3 is 0. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. So you got 105 degree. Clear? Next, coming to the fifth sum. Find the measure of the x in the figure. So it is which type of angle? It is not inside, outside. So it is the exterior angle, isn't it? So you have learnt in the examples and all. So sum of the exterior angles of any polygon, it will be how much? 360. Now you add 40 plus 65 plus 100 plus 45 plus x should be 360. Now you add 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 4, 5. Otherwise, this 6 plus 4, 10. 14, 15. 1 plus 1 is 2. You got 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So, the value of x is 110 degree. Understood? So, we have completed worksheet 1. Hope everyone understood. The easy sums, this will be asked either for 1 mark or 2 mark. Not more than that. But you have to know all these. Okay? Okay then. Bye. Thank you.